Best leaf vacuums. Are you looking for the best leaf vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best leaf vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB 40V Leaf Blower. Husqvarna continues to impress with its lineup of battery-powered yard tools, and the 350 IB 40V leaf blower is no exception. Whether it's chainsaws, string trimmers, or blowers, the brand consistently delivers reliable performance, and the 350 IB excels in all the areas that matter most for clearing leaves. Its maximum airspeed of 200 mph and air volume of 800 CFM put it at the top among battery-powered handheld leaf blowers we tested, rivaling many gas-powered models. It easily handled dry leaves, wet clumps, and everything in between. After tidying up my yard, I took the blower to a 100-foot trail connecting my property to a city hiking system, clearing it in minutes and leaving the path fresh and debris-free. Compared to other high-performance battery blowers like the Ryobi and Ego models, the 350 IB stood out for its impressive runtime. With its 7.5Ah battery, it ran for 36 minutes on normal mode, over 10 minutes longer than any other handheld blower we tested. Charging was also quick, reaching full power in just 68 minutes. The 350 IB's ergonomic design makes operation simple and efficient. The handle includes a turbo button for extra power, cruise control, and a variable speed trigger, giving precise control in any situation. At just over 10 pounds, it's heavier than many competitors, and the strong airflow in turbo mode can produce some kickback, making it slightly tricky to hold steady. It is also one of the more expensive handheld blowers on the market, but if you value power, long runtime, and durability, the Husqvarna 350 IB is a worthy investment. Specifications: airspeed, 145 mph, weight, 10.3 pounds, engine charge, 68 minutes, noise level, 75.5 dB. Number 2. Ryobi 40V HP Brushless 800 CFM Whisper Series Blower. If the high-pitched roar of traditional leaf blowers drives you crazy, the Ryobi PBLLB01K offers a welcome alternative with its whisper quiet operation. Even at maximum speed, it produces only a gentle hum, making it far more pleasant for both you and your neighbors. Its lightweight design, just 5 pounds without the battery, makes it exceptionally easy to handle, allowing comfortable use throughout its full 1-hour runtime. This combination of low noise and manageable weight is ideal for anyone who wants a quieter, less fatiguing yard tool experience. However, the Ryobi PBLLB01K is best suited for lighter tasks. Its airspeed and volume are limited, so it won't replace more powerful blowers when it comes to heavy-duty leaf clearing. During our Yard and Garden Awards testing, we found it performed very well on patios, sidewalks, driveways, and other paved areas. It also worked nicely for gently pushing leaves out of garden beds or landscaping areas. For small-scale cleanup, its quiet operation and ease of use make it a pleasure to work with. For larger yards or thick, wet leaf piles, you'll want to consider a more powerful alternative. But for homeowners seeking a lightweight, quiet blower for everyday light-duty tasks, the Ryobi PBLLB01K is a great choice. It balances performance, portability, and noise control, making yard maintenance a simpler and more enjoyable experience. Specifications: airspeed, 180 mph, estimated, weight, 10.6 pounds, tested, runtime, 21 minutes, tested, max mode, noise level, 57 dB, estimated. Number 3. Bosch GBL18V 450 and Profactor. If you need a reliable leaf blower for clearing leaves or grass clippings from a deck, patio, or even for tidying up your garage floor, the Bosch Profactor is an excellent choice that won't break the bank. While it doesn't match the top-of-the-line models in sheer power, its maximum airspeed of 120 mph and an air volume of 433 CFM are more than adequate for light-duty yard and home cleaning tasks. It's ideal for homeowners looking for a practical tool to handle everyday small-scale jobs without overspending. Weighing only about 8 pounds with the battery installed, the Bosch Profactor feels exceptionally lightweight compared to most blowers we tested. Even after extended use, it's comfortable to handle and easy to maneuver. Its simple, intuitive controls include a thumb wheel for adjusting speed and a trigger lock that engages cruise control, which helps maintain airflow during longer cleaning sessions. These features make operation effortless, whether you're clearing a patio, sweeping leaves off the driveway, or cleaning up your garage floor. During testing, we achieved approximately 25 minutes of runtime on a single battery charge, which is sufficient for most routine cleaning tasks around the yard or home. Although it's not designed for heavy-duty leaf blowing or tackling thick, wet piles, it delivers just the right amount of power for smaller jobs. Overall, the Bosch Profactor is a lightweight, easy-to-use, and dependable blower that strikes a nice balance between affordability, performance, and convenience, making it a solid choice for light-duty cleanup tasks. Specifications: airspeed, 120 miles per hour, weight, 6.1 pounds, bare tool, run time, 25 minutes, noise level, not applicable. Number 4. Husqvarna 360 BT Gas Leaf Blower. If you're looking for a leaf blower with enough power to belong on a professional landscaper's truck, the Husqvarna 360 BT is an excellent choice. This backpack blower delivers serious performance in almost every aspect. Its large 65.6 cubic centimeters engine generates an impressive 890 cfm of air volume and reaches top wind speeds of 232 miles per hour. That kind of output easily moves heavy piles of leaves across large yards, making quick work of even the toughest leaf clearing jobs. However, all that power comes with a trade-off: noise. The 360 BT is extremely loud, so it's important to avoid running it early in the morning and always wear proper hearing protection. Despite its powerful output, the 360 BT is surprisingly comfortable for a backpack blower. Weighing 23 pounds, it features a padded backrest, adjustable shoulder straps, and a supportive hip belt, all of which make extended use more manageable. It also includes smart features like an automatic carburetor purge, which simplifies starting the engine and reduces hassle before each use. Designed with professionals and serious yard enthusiasts in mind, the 360 BT is ideal for anyone who regularly tackles large leaf clearing tasks. It combines professional-grade power, ergonomic design, and thoughtful technology to make yard maintenance more efficient. Whether you're a landscaper or a homeowner with a sprawling property, this blower handles heavy-duty leaf management with ease. While it's louder than most, the combination of performance and comfort makes it a standout in the backpack blower category. Specifications: airspeed, 232 miles per hour, weight, 23.2 pounds, engine, 65.6 cubic centimeters, noise level, not applicable. Number 5. Ego Power Plus 765 CFM Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus LB7654 combines intuitive controls, versatile attachments, and impressive leaf blowing power, making it one of the most capable handheld blowers we've tested. With maximum wind speeds of 200 miles per hour, it easily handled wet leaves, small sticks, and even loose rocks without issue. In fact, its turbo mode is so powerful that it can feel a bit overzealous. I accidentally flattened a few plants in my flower bed from about 10 feet while tidying up my yard. Fortunately, Ego's thoughtfully designed controls make it easy to manage that power. The blower features cruise control, plus a convenient thumb dial that lets you increase or decrease airspeed incrementally as needed. The turbo button is also within easy reach of your thumb, allowing quick bursts of maximum power to blast stubborn sticks or stray stones. These adjustments not only prevent accidental damage to plants but also help optimize battery life, as maintaining a steady throttle conserves energy during longer jobs. In testing, we achieved about 26 minutes of runtime at normal high speed, which is decent for a handheld blower, though below the runtime of the top-performing models. Another standout feature of the LB7654 is its wide, flat tip attachment, which produces a broad fan of air. This tip proved incredibly useful for clearing driveways, garage floors, and other paved areas quickly and efficiently. While most handheld blowers include multiple tips, this particular attachment provides real-world versatility and speed that makes yard cleanup much easier. Overall, the Ego Power Plus LB7654 balances power, control, and practicality, making it a reliable choice for medium to heavy-duty leaf clearing. Specifications: airspeed, 200 miles per hour, runtime, 26 minutes, turbo mode, yes, attachments, multiple, including wide flat tip.